Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And when we had Windows 8, a little new animation appeared on our login screens and our boot up and shutdown screens. And it was a set of little dots. So they were the spinning little dots where you sign out. You also had the spinning little dots when you would log in, and even on the boot screen of your PC. So this is a legacy thing from Windows 8, and it stayed through Windows 10, and we still have it on Windows 11. Well, our friend Phantom of Earth on X has discovered that it's going to change soon. They are going to modernize the look with a spinning animation, which is more like a line that spins. So this is going to be the new animation for the shutdown, the boot screen, and so on your computer. And gone will be the dots, which is in Windows 8 era animation. So a few changes here in the way that your computer will boot up and shut down. We talk about a lot about where Microsoft is doing all sorts of changes of different things. I don't believe anybody asked to change this animation, but I guess someone somewhere didn't know what to do and thought, hey, let's play with the dots animation and change it for a line, I guess. So, anyways, Phantom of Earth is the discoverer. I will share the link to the X account of Phantom of Earth if you wish to view more of his discoveries, as he often looks a lot at all sorts of hidden features within Windows. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.